Baked beans. It's a bean factory over there. So yeah, I broke my tooth. And I didn't even break it in a cool way. I was just sitting freaking watching Seinfeld eating dinner. And I felt a little crunch and a couple other little crunches. And I thought I just hit some like overcooked food or something. And after I finished my meal, all of a sudden I found that I had a jagged fang in the back of my mouth. So that was weird. So number one, to make things worse, I basically ate my own tooth shards. Although I think that they may have been so brittle they got ground down when I was eating my food anyways. So hopefully I won't have any issues with that. Number two, this tooth has a filling in it, which I don't know, may have contributed to my tooth breaking in the first place. So I'm freaked out that if I'm not careful, I might knock my filling loose and then I'll swallow that. But yeah, I don't know if any of you have ever broken a tooth before. This is my first time, and it is very weird. There is a part of my body missing. It's a really weird feeling. So now I am headed to my dentist for an emergency appointment, and I don't know. Ooh, look at that thing. Yeehaw. Oh, and we got this guy too. Wow. Yeah, that's a nice dealership over there. They've always got nice stuff. Same with that dealership over there. But back to the topic at hand. I don't know if this is really worth an emergency visit, but all I know is that my tooth is broken. I have a jagged piece of tooth sticking into my mouth. Oh god, it just caught on my cheek right there. It's like a little razor blade or something. It's like snagging onto my cheek. It's like stabbing the side of my mouth. Ooh, yeah. I've seen a few VW buses around lately. I'm not sure what the deal is, but I've seen a lot of VW buses. Of course, it doesn't help that I go to car shows and car meets like multiple times a week. This fellow rider has his left blinker on, and he is not turning unless he's putting it on like a mile early. Oh, it's a Honda. That's cool. There you go. Ooh, nice Challenger. Nice Challenger. Alright, he finally got his blinker. It happens to all of us. Well, this is less than ideal. Got this slow as hell construction vehicle impeding me. Oh, alright, I'm not putting up with this. I'm turning right around. Forgot about that stupid road work on this road. That could put a crimp in my timing. Okay, so I'm on my detour road now. So, I don't know, yeah, who else has broken a tooth? How have you done it? I've never broken a tooth before. I feel like a redneck. My teeth are falling out of my head. I don't know, man, I'm pretty clueless with this stuff. Usually I don't have any problems like this. Nice big field. Sometimes there's deer in this field, and when I was young, I would get all excited. Nowadays, who cares? I hate deer. Alright, I'm starting to run late. That construction detour really screwed my timing up. Alright, we're picking up speed a little bit. It's helping, but we have to go even faster here. Alright, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This car was in my way. I could freaking probably make it. In any case, I'm approaching my dentist's office, so the next shot will probably be after I go through whatever I'm going to go through. Oh god, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, no, never mind. Yep, that's what I have to look at every time I ride my bike. It's pretty. And here you go. Some more gorgeous Maine Ocean. This is an awesome little road that winds itself around this little inlet. People fishing, walking, skateboarding, rollerblading, skating, just everything. And of course, there's Portland in the distance. So yeah, I got myself a new tooth. Was on the table or in the chair or whatever for about 2 hours as they operated on me, so to speak. The drills and wrenches and air hammers and all that crammed into my mouth. Holy look at that friggin' building. What the hell is that? Is that for real?
Is this real life?
Looks like a big, oh, what are those things called? Not a Lego, the next one up. like I don't know. Ah, cool van over there. What's up with all these vans? Is that another VW? Oh god. As lame as it was that I broke my tooth while eating dinner, I'm glad that number one, it didn't hurt, because I've known a few people who have smashed their teeth on water fountains, industrial equipment, and they've actually broken their tooth, and that does not feel good. So, as lame of a story as it is that I broke my tooth simply while watching dinner, eating dinner while watching Seinfeld, and that I wasn't in the middle of some situation where I couldn't deal with it right away, because the dentist said that my filling was about to come out, and swallowing that probably wouldn't have been good. So, lame story. Now I got to pay $350, and life goes on. Alright, cool bike alert. Check this thing out. Whew. Oh, it's a fellow Yamaha. I thought it was a Honda. That thing's nice. Yamaha XT250. God, those things are sweet. Always been a fan of those. Alright, back to the road. Check this guy out. Look at his collection. He's got a Z4, an S2000, and 2 dune buggies. That guy's got everything. That's pretty sweet. So yeah, there you go. Broken tooth last night, new tooth this morning. $350 poorer. So yeah, happy Friday to me. Time to start the weekend. Plane race, plane race, plane race. Oh, I guess he's gonna beat me.